Okay, question 13, we've got a region bounded by 3 lines and we have to define that region by a series of 3 inequalities. So our first inequality is virtually given to us because region R is sitting below the line y is equal to 2x plus 2. So our first condition, if we're going to include that boundary, y is less than or equal to 2x plus 2. We've just done 1. Let's call this 2 and this line 3. Okay, 2. We're going to be less than this line here. The line must be y is equal to mx plus c. Now that line has an intercept there, which is 1. So I know that c is equal to 1 of equation 2. What is its gradient? Well, just find 2 good points. If we choose that point and that point, it falls 2 and goes along 2. So its gradient is -1. So m is equal to -1. Popping that in, the equation becomes, and region R is below the line. So our inequality becomes y must be less than or equal to -x plus 1. And that's the second of the 2 results we need. And the third one's easy because the third line is the line y equals -3. And we must be above that. And that's the third answer.